Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change your password on LinkedIn. First step is going over to this profile picture and click on settings and privacy. Now this should take you to this page and you have to click on sign in and security. Then once you are here, you are in account access, click on change password and here type your current password. So I will do that real quick. Then type your new password and then type your new password again. Once you are done, click on save password. So click on that. And as you can see, I have chosen weak password. So this is a warning for you. Try using a mix of letters, numbers and special characters. So try this and your password should be saved. If you forgot your password, just click on forgot the password and follow the commands to restore it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.